Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So the other day we uploaded a video, how to paint furniture like a professional. And after I was looking at it and editing it, I noticed that I didn't clean out my paint gun. And we also noticed that you couldn't really tell what I was talking about on the gun because my tripod was so far away from it. So we're going to do a two-part video today on more gun setup and spraying techniques, and then we'll do a part 2 video on cleaning the paint gun out, taking apart, what to do with the material inside it. As always, I have my sweet tea, so this will hydrate my throat and I can speak a whole lot clearer. That's so good, it'll make you want to slap your mama. You better not in the South, she'll slap you back. So anyway, we've already got paint in the gun, obviously, since we never cleaned it out. And I've got this piece of cardboard up here to simulate our piece that we're going to be painting. So, like I stated the other day in the video, this knob right here, if you turn it counterclockwise, it makes your pattern wider. If you turn it clockwise, it narrows it down to a pinpoint pattern. And then you have this knob, which has a set screw. You can turn it counterclockwise and it loosens it, clockwise and it tightens it. That way, while you're working, this knob does not move and mess up your gun, your fluid flow. And then you have your regulator down here with a gauge. If you did not have this, you could also regulate your pressure with this knob. Turn it counterclockwise, opens it up, clockwise, closes it down, less pressure. This is a Harbor Freight cheapo paint gun. It's a Hvlp. Hvlp, what's that stand for, country cuz? It stands for high volume, low pressure. So it means a lot of material comes out at very low pressure. It's always good with this paint gun, it has a hole in the top here. So as your material drains, it sucks air in. If it didn't have that hole, then your paint gun wouldn't spray worth a flip. It's always good to have something like a nail or a toothpick to clean that hole out as you're painting. And also keep you some lacquer thinner close by in an old milk jug or an old 2-liter Coke bottle. That way, if your material dries, you can refreshen it and unclog it as you spray. Alright, let's get to it. So when you're wanting to spray, you're wanting your 4 or 5 inch pattern. You put one pass like that, and then your second pass. So here's your pattern. You want your first pass to be like that. You don't want to put your second pass down here because you'll have a dry spot in the center. You want to overlap at least 50%, if not more, like that. So we're going to do 50%. And today we're going to be using a low pressure of, we'll do 20 pounds. And luckily, this paint's been sitting in this gun for 4 days. Right in here, it'll probably be a little thick, but up here, it's still liquid. It's not dry. If this was a urethane clear that we use on cars, you might as well throw this gun away or spend 2 hours cleaning it out. Okay, ready? Here's the first one. Plain PSP. Alright, we're going to do a double pass. So I don't know how well this is going to show up. It's pretty good. And you can dry it. It's 30 degrees here. Yesterday, which was Tuesday, it was 70. A southern person's yesterday could be a month from now. So Today, it's 4 days from now. Is that right? 4? No, 3 days. Something like that. I'm not good at math, so it'll be alright. That's one pass. Second pass, we're not wanting to put it down here. We don't want a dry spot right here. We want to overlap 50%. Alright, that looks pretty good. We'll dry it a little bit. Lacquer will dry in 30-degree weather. If it was sunny outside, you could go outside and you could confidently paint anything. As long as you got direct sun on it, it's going to dry. And if you use a cheap thinner, like this thinner, it will dry faster than if you use the K27, the slower reducer. So we'll turn it up just a little bit, just not. It's another pass. Look at that. That looks good, doesn't it? And y'all may hear me say yee every once in a while. That's the Southern person terminology for awesome or great, or in my case, hell yeah. So, we'll just dry it a little bit more. Turn your air pressure up to dry it a little bit better. And then you turn it back down when you're spreading. Look at there. That looks pretty good. Our furniture turned out nice. One complete pass. Don't do it like paint gun. Or airsoft can. Don't do it here and then here and then here. You just one pass. One slow pass. And the higher your paint, or the higher your pressure is, the faster you're going to want to go. So, that's pretty much it for gun setup. And there's different kinds of guns. That's a Hvlp. There's also a conventional. I don't really know exactly what the conventional means. They have a RP, which is a reduced pressure. Like I said, that's Hvlp. High volume, low pressure. Most of your paint gun today is Hvlp. A lot of people like using Hvlp because their compressor ain't running as much, and it saves material also. So if you like this video, don't forget there's another part to this video, part 2. We're going to do something with the paint in there, and we're going to break it down and clean it thoroughly. A clean paint gun is a clean paint job next time you use it. If you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell, and you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.